Ready to find love, but Facebook dating is playing hide and seek? Don't worry. In the next minute we'll troubleshoot why Facebook dating isn't showing up and get you back on track to finding your match. First, the most common reason: age. Facebook dating requires you to be 18 or older. Head to your profile and double-check your listed birthday. If it's incorrect, update it immediately. Next, ensure you're using the latest version of the Facebook app. Outdated apps can be buggy. Go to your App Store. That's either the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhones. And search for Facebook. If you see an update button, tap it. If it says open, your app is already updated. Still no dating? Time to check Facebook's server status. Use a website like Down Detector to see if Facebook is experiencing widespread outages. If servers are down, all you can do is wait it out. If everything looks good so far, try clearing the app's cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing problems in your phone settings. Find apps, then locate Facebook, and finally tap storage and then clear cache. As a last resort, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Facebook app. This ensures a fresh installation and often resolves lingering issues. With these steps, you should be able to find Facebook dating and start swiping. If you're still having trouble, Facebook's Help Center is your next best bet. Happy dating!